You've said you'll help me for free, but do you really mean that? And you see this over and over. And then you see someone leaving with a new set of dentures that had no teeth, with a great big smile on their face. They can't believe it.
And not only did they take out the tooth, but they also made me a bridge. So now I can smile and look like I have a whole mouthful of teeth, and I wasn't expecting that at all, which was really nice. They came around and they were like, "Oh, we can totally fix that." And I was like, "I just need it pulled, it's okay." And they're like, "No, we can fix it." So they fixed it.
The leadership of the Arizona Conference and the camp meeting superintendent got their heads together and said, there's a statement in Spirit of Prophecy that says how our camp meetings should be a time for outreach and community involvement rather than just absorbing. And so that's how the idea of Arizona Sunshine came to be, is that it would provide an opportunity during camp meeting for people to get involved with the community.
The idea was to pilot a program where we would return to the same community year after year after year, not just once, but it's a repeating involvement in the community. That was the idea that we were asked to pilot.
Our collective effort brought about this very successful, in our terms, very successful event. It impacted 700-800 lives every year.
Local governments were quite skeptical at the get-go. Another member of our steering committee had to schedule several appointments with the mayor of Prescott Valley, Harvey Skoog, until he got the vision. He says, "We'll give this a try." And the town of Prescott Valley, for the first year and every year since then, has donated about $15,000 to $20,000 worth of event space to us on an annual basis.
I didn't have the money to take care of my teeth and stuff, and I prayed and my prayers were answered by Arizona Sunshine. They truly were.
I think it takes a while for people to really understand that when we say free, we mean free, completely free. There's no hook here. This is free to you because we care about you. And the change in people, the look on their face when they realize that we really mean that it's worth it. It makes it worth it.
When I went to Arizona Sunshine to get my dental work, I thought that was it. I didn't realize that a year and a half later, I would still be going through depression seminar to get help, the plant-based cooking school. I go to Daniel, which is a study of Daniel. I do, numerous things, and I love to volunteer. So it started off as just getting something done, and now I continue to get help.
And we have people that come as far as Verde Valley, which is about an hour's drive to the cooking class each month. They are getting involved in our Depression the Way Out, and some of them are even coming into the church, which is not our goal. Our goal is to give them a healthier way.
But we don't care where they came from. If they come to the door, they need dental help, they need vision, they need medical. Doesn't matter. It's here, it's free, and we don't ask those kind of questions. We don't ask them if they have insurance. We don't ask them if they can pay. From homeless to somebody that's a full-time worker, doesn't matter. They came to the door, ask us for help. That's what we're there for.
But we have found by doing an event like this, they're coming to us and they are able to access services that they wouldn't be able to access otherwise. It's really serving a huge need in the community, as we can tell by the numbers, the sheer numbers of people who are coming. The local congregation is very heavily invested in the program. Large number of our members are volunteering, and it's an opportunity for us to connect with people in our community that we wouldn't have the opportunity to do otherwise.
As you go through, you're going to find people from all different denominations here helping with this event, because they've caught the vision that we have to help people, just to help them.
We have healthcare opportunities, health education opportunities in the areas of cardio health or depression recovery or stress management. We have one on stop smoking. We have several different programs that we offer throughout the year like this that they can show an interest in as well. We have one on financial management, and we have one on which we added just this year on legal services like estate planning and things of this nature. So all of these services are offered between the events, the annual events, and throughout the year, and they're completely free, as is the event.
We're very happy with everything. Everyone answers your questions, they treat you well, they're very happy to help you, and I think it's a marvelous program. I really do.
One of the most rewarding things, though, is when those guests who come and receive services ask us, how can I get involved next year? And that's just really cool. They want to be a part of that team that gives.